Hey, good morning everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. Travelled a little bit outside of Chiang Mai this morning, and I've come to this amazing place to see some wooden sculptures of elephants, and the gentleman that makes them is one of the leading carvers of wood in the north of Thailand. So I have had a quick look around and just put my head through the gates, so to speak, and it actually looks amazing. So with that, I hope you're going to find it as interesting as I am, and we'll go for a little walk around. So here we are, we're parked on the little lane just on the corner of the property, and I see they have a Baan Jang Nak elephant coffee house, which we might try out in a short while. Chiang Mai seems to be a trip of elephants this time. We went to the elephant parade land the other day, and absolutely fascinating for what they do for the community, both locally and internationally, is absolutely amazing. Quite a small bit of rain this morning, but nothing to write home about, so it shouldn't really distract from what we're going to do this morning. And you can just see in the background there, we're going to take a closer look. There's an absolutely magnificent carved wooden elephant there. We will certainly be making some donation to the place. And this is just the outside of the property on the lane here, absolutely amazing. Guy does some actually amazing sorry caps, buddy mate. So let's have a walk inside. So that we can see just in front of me an absolute massive woolly mammoth, all hand carved in wood. How amazing is that? You see guys, I bring you to some really off the beat, really interesting places, and hoping I'm going to give you the incentive to get out and try a few things. And obviously this guy is a master craftsman. He's one of the master artisans of Thailand. And when you see his work, it's just absolutely amazing. It really is. I mean, for a guy like myself who has a problem sharpening a pencil, this stuff is actually amazing to me. Absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that elephant, all carved in wood. What a magnificent specimen that is. If the coffee shop's open later, we'll certainly give that a try. So let's have a walk around and see what else we can discover. Absolutely amazing place. This guy's not seen a lot of this posted on YouTube. To drive out here probably take you about 24 minutes from the centre of Chiang Mai, so it's not too far. The guy does do carvings, mainly of elephants, but he does do other stuff, I'm led to believe. So hopefully we'll see a few more of those pieces as we go around. Elephant there, looks rather in the Ganesh style, this one. This is just a sculpture for garden. I think some of the sculptures have been sitting out here for a long time. We have another elephant there and a gorilla. So as I said, the speciality is elephants, but the gentleman does do other stuff. And I presume this is his house here. So I'll go for a walk and see if we can get round on the other side. I don't want to impose on the gentleman's property. I think he has a workshop here at the back we may be able to get a peek at. Absolutely fascinating stuff, there's no two ways about it. Some gentlemen already arrived. I think they're the workers. They've come to maybe start work for the day. There's the head of a pink elephant and another Ganesh style sitting elephant. It certainly has a lot of carvings here. What an amazing place. Even on the wall there you can see elephants carved onto planks and embedded into the wall structure. A lot more carvings here on the outside. A little bit dark in here, but I hope you can see some of the stuff. There's a kind of a tree of a load of carved elephants there. Ah, thank you. Somebody's put the lights on, absolutely amazing. Cop and cap. Look at that tree of elephants. How amazing, guys. Just think how many hours of carving it takes to do that. And the carving on the back there of this elephant, absolutely amazing. Wasn't too doubt of whether to come here and visit this morning. I haven't seen much about this place on YouTube. I'm really happy I've come out here. What an absolutely astounding find. If you're in Chiang Mai area and you don't visit this place, I'm sure that you're going to be missing out on a lot of interesting stuff. Lots more elephants there. Happy to say the rain stopped, so it's not going to really distract from us getting any video this morning. I believe the gentleman that's talking to this morning is one of the carvers actually. Sorry, Cap. Absolutely amazing. Gentleman there carving away, what an intricate piece of work that is. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely amazing work, guys. To be honest, I've been in Thailand quite a few years. I've never seen anything as intricate and as interesting as this, to be honest. It really is a good find. And lots of smaller elephants there that have been carved. Look at this. How realistic is that? All made from wood. And lots more elephants here at the back. I'll have to go back out to the car and get my camera and do some pictures here inside, because it really is a beautiful find, this. Swaddy Cap? Swaddy Mai? Sway Ma? Oh, beautiful. Yeah. And just to prove that it's not all elephants, there's a massive fish here in the back. And this little elephant was hidden at the back of that bigger one. I don't know who the gentleman sells his elephants to, but I'm sure he has a great following throughout Thailand, and he can make a very good living out of it, and rightly so. He's a master craftsman, one of the best in the north of Thailand, probably the best. Just think of the hours it takes to actually carve the wooden elephants. One baby one hiding in the grass there. It's obviously another woodworking area. The gentleman's got all his tools there and all his equipment. Nice little workshops there. Obviously, being a master craftsman, he'll have all the correct tools for the jobs in hand. Absolutely fantastic bear there. This elephant here is quite unusual. It's made of canvas, I believe. I think they do have a museum upstairs, so we'll try and have a walk and have a look in there. I don't see any signs that we can't go up there, guys, so if we get told off, I can accept that. There is a sign there in Thai, but I can't read it, but I believe there's a museum up here, so we'll go and have a look. And I'll go and have a coffee later in the grounds. Oh my God, so much to see here. and the gentleman's kindly put on the lights for me, so absolutely fantastic. They call him the Elephant Man. Another part of the museum here. This man has so much stuff, it's unbelievable. And I really like his workshop area on the grounds. It's really authentic Thai. And this is the little outside bit that we videoed before, but this door was actually closed then. Ganesh style. Absolutely amazing, guys. Happy to give this guy as much publicity as I can. Free admission, just make a donation. A little bit dark in this area, guys. I don't think you can see much, but there are more carvings at the back here. And this is the outside wall leading onto the lane. I can tell that by the spoke wheels. Park the car underneath them. Well, so with that, guys, I think that brings this video to an end. I found it absolutely fascinating. I really didn't expect to see what we discovered this morning. Really happy to have been here. Going on to find a few more places to video this morning. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.